Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. Remove the two fasteners securing the housing. Loosen the hose clamp before disengaging. Use a Phillips head screwdriver. Disconnect the sensor by pressing the back tab down and pulling backwards. Lift the housing. If needed, use some force. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AF9010 filter into the housing. The AF9010 has a corner that is slightly sharper than the other three. This goes into the bottom right corner when facing the vehicle. Once the filter is fully flush with the edges, close the housing. Re-engage the fasteners. Reinstall the sensor. Reinstall the hose clamp. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.